What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with Jesse W. And today we're going to go over a couple things, okay? We're going to go over a trade recap that I did yesterday. The trade I did it yesterday. I didn't do the recap. We're going to go over that trade. I have the live trade recorded for you. Pretty decent little trade. Nothing huge, but good lesson in there that will show you how to protect your money a little bit more like I did in my trade. Nice little green trade at least. And we're also going to talk about this tournament that's going on. Patrick Whelan has put out a $2,000 day trading tournament, and today he was flexing his guns out there. And I talked to Patrick a lot. We talk, we like to fish, man. Like, we're fishermen, so we're always talking about fishing and stuff. And he posted out his guns saying, "Come and get them." And I'm coming. I'm coming. Well, guys, so here we are. Here's Patrick, and he was there flexing out them guns. And here is the video, right? It's $2,000, winner take all. The way it's going to work is it's just for YouTubers, according to the rules that he's setting in place. And everyone's going to start with a DAS paper account, $25,000, everybody evenly. And it's a 5-day tournament. Whoever has the most amount of money in their account by the end of the week is the winner. Sounds like fun to me, sounds like something fun to do with the trading community online on YouTube. So I'm definitely in. I already emailed them, let them know that I want in on it. So it's going to be fun. It'll be interesting. At the very least, we're going to have some laughs, and we're going to try and see what we can do later on this month on that tournament. I believe it starts on the 20-something. Let me see if you wrote it down here. No, it's not written down. But it starts on the 20-something of October. So later this month we'll do that. Now let's get to business here and go over yesterday's trade. Yesterday's trade was on OBLIN, and it was just one quick trade. OBLIN had news out in the morning, had a nice little gap up. Pulled in off the bell, held this $2 area. I liked that action there, so I decided to get long on it and see if we could break over VWAP. Now, normally, you know how I would trade this, right? I would add over VWAP right there, and just go for the bigger extension move, looking for I don't know, maybe something like $3 or something like that. And but we didn't get it. We didn't get this move on it this time around, OBLN, and it didn't hold up. It just really didn't hold up. I'll show you right now here the daily. So see, this was yesterday here, this red candle. I knew that we had room up to this 240 area, so that was the back of my mind target. And probably take some off there and hold the rest, looking for a test of the 50-day moving average area and see what happens. But we didn't even get that far. We did not even get that far. So it was kind of disappointing, but it's been the name in small caps recently. So let's rewind this here. So I'm in here. I was in at 207 and change. So it factored in my commissions because E-Trade still, you have commissions until the 7th. So 208 average. And now I'm just looking for the VWAP to break. My stop is just under $2. So decent little risk reward. Nothing huge there. I'm looking to sell some up here in the 220 area and then hold on the rest for that push to 240. So we'll fast forward this a little bit here. As long as we're holding that $2 area, everything's good. Now, normally, I would look to add over the break of VWAP if the volume increases. Sell some up here, hold the rest for that push to 240, 250, maybe even $3. But not in this environment. And when we break over VWAP, I consider adding, but then I'm like, no. We're not adding. We're not doubling up here. We're not adding any amount of shares. We're just going to trade what we have here and, take what the market gives us. So there we break over VWAP, and then we start to extend here pretty soon there. I take off half right there, 217. I get my fill. You can see it right here. And then I hold on to 500 shares, looking for the push up to that 240 area. But watch what happens. Volume increases, so I'm thinking we're looking good as long as we hold over 210, which was resistance, and now it's, you know, should be support, and VWAP is right there as well as that 210 number. But as soon as we push and make that attempt to the new high, we pull it all the way back in to, and look at what happens. One of my subs posted on one of my videos not so long ago. He called it bail before the fail, and boy did I bail before the fail. I didn't like how we were just lillygagging right in front of that area. I felt like we should have bounced a little bit more, but we don't. So I sell out right there. I'm gonna sell out at 212, and watch what happens as soon as I sell. I sell. Now watch. Look at that. Look at that nasty, nasty, nasty action. Look at that nasty, huge wick. So much selling pressure there. And look at that. And the stock today is at $1.83. Here's the 15-minute chart on yesterday's action. Just not there. Not there. Green little trade, not bad. Not going to be mad about it or complain. But it is what it is. Small caps have been dead lately. Even today, look at my top gainers. This is ridiculous. That is insane right there. They're all just pennies. And look, 27%, 26%, 25%, 23%. It's just not good for small caps right now at all. So we had some bigger, bigger names, some large caps making some moves. We had RNG today make some moves. Check this one out. But even this has been looking kind of like one and done-ish in a way, unless it holds up all throughout the lunchtime area and then makes a move back up. But this is a huge move, all right, from $144 and change all the way up here to almost 170, 169 and change. That is a huge, huge move. But that's it. You know, there's nothing going on in small caps, and just the volume's not there. The volume's not there. Even this morning, I tweeted a screenshot of my scanners for my gap scans. There was no volume. It's ridiculous. We'll see what happens next week. We'll see what happens with this tournament right here. Looking forward to that. It's going to be fun. Let me know how you did. Drop it in the comment section below. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and smash that like button for me, and I'll catch you on the next one.